So people, this is Love That is Southwest Airline stock, and we've been preaching for the past couple of days that you have to wait. If you want to buy this stuff, you have to wait, because all this was just emotional buying. Now that the economy is teetering, now that the economy is struggling, and people are not flying that much, you expected this thing to keep down. I'm expecting this to come all the way to the $30 stain. We see support right here, and if that support holds, then we can hold it all the way up for the next 2 years. So for those of you who want to buy and hold this for long term, now is the time to keep accumulating. Okay, at this level we're going to accumulate. If it's going to come here, accumulate, and even if you come a little bit lower, that will be a false break for me. Continue to accumulate, and then you're going to hold this all the way upstairs. In about 18 months or so, you should be in good shape. This is a good company, I have to say, and it's a good buy at this point if you want to accumulate. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.